There they went.
Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio.
Okay. Ranting time.
Becoming mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest.
This stupid crap that they're having is getting annoying. It's caused several of my radios to not activate. Like, look at this. I don't even know where my 259 is. No, there it is. It didn't go off. It caused this. This. It caused you to go off in the second header. This. Well, actually, no, you were getting interference. So you're fine. Let's see, who else? That. You. Let's see. This area right here activated. It caused them all to fail. This is probably the biggest amount of radios that I've had fail on me in a long time. It's getting annoying. ION, you need to fix your transmitter.
Saturday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and Weather Service in your cities. Don't get thunderstorms in Washington. Southeast County for the Thursday, showers and thunderstorms. Thursday night, 6:30 p.m. Few storms may contain damage and wind gusts. 22 p.m. Heavy rain and localized flooding also on Friday. Thunderstorms are likely. Heavy rain and localized flooding are possible. 60 miles per hour. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Defiance and Paulding. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch. Conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage and winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons short and hours will rapidly change weather conditions and make for later statement possible waters. Stay tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio, and television are lowest floor internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here's the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. Tonight is mostly clear, then becoming partly cloudy this late evening and early morning.